Okay, I just wanted to quickly show you guys my new pickup. As you can see, it's a new pair of Adidas. Let's look at the tag. It says Blondey Superstar, size 10 US. And the colorway is ice blue, sea black. So it's basically ice blue. So I've been wanting to get a pair of these Blondey Superstars for a while, and I happened to come across a pair for a good price, so I picked these up. These were not necessarily the color I wanted, but this was what was available, so I picked it up. But in person, I was actually quite surprised because they're actually pretty nice. So I already tried them on, and surprisingly, they're kind of comfortable. Okay. So here are the shoes. I believe Blondey called these the Starlight Blues. On the box it says ice blue, but whatever. So these came with extra laces. One looks like black with 3M, and the other pair basically the same, black with like a smaller 3M. Basically the same, I guess. It's always nice to get extra laces for skate shoes. So here they are. The first thing I want to say is that surprisingly, this plastic is actually like, it's not bad in hand. Like, I really like the concept and I thought it was really cool. Adidas Superstars are my favorite sneakers of all time. I literally have like so many pairs of Superstars. And these really caught my eyes because it's really different from any of the Superstars that I own. I know that Blondey McCoy skated in these, and honestly I wasn't sure how these would feel skating because they use plastic. But in hand, like this plastic, this rubber material is kind of soft, and like when you have it in hand you can feel that it's actually well made, has a nice structure. And although this plastic material like won't be the best for skateboarding, it won't be as good as leather or suede or anything like that, but now that I have it in hand, I feel like it's going to be not as bad as I thought. Like even in this video, I'm sure you guys will be like, oh, it just looks like a piece of cheap plastic, but you gotta actually have these in hand to understand that this plastic is actually like, it's soft. It's not bad, and on feet it doesn't feel too bad either. Yes, I did think these were going to be uncomfortable. Why did I get it then? I just thought the concept was cool, and I'm a fan of Superstar, so I was curious. I wanted to give it a try. But yeah, now that I have these in hand, like feeling this rubber, it's not bad. And on feet, you really can't notice that these are rubber at all. It just feels like another pair of shoes. The insole is weird. I've never seen this insole before. Like even the insole, it almost looks like, I don't know what it is. It looks like styrofoam sort of. I can't take it out. It kind of looks like it's, you know, almost like waterproof almost. Just taking a close look at the rubber. It's nice and soft. Surprisingly nice and soft. Here's the stripes. Of course, it says the gold Blondey on the side. Comes with red laces. Here's the rubber toe, the shell toe. The shell toe is the Superstar 80s shell toe, not your new standard Superstar with the stars on it. This is the 80s inspired shell toe. The midsole as well. The overall shape is the 80s Superstar. Has a slimmer midsole and structure to it, which I like better than the standard Superstar. Yeah, here's the outsole. Pretty standard. I'm definitely gonna try to skate in these. I'll have to do another review after I skate these for a little bit, but this is just my initial reaction, initial thoughts. Here's the tongue. Adidas branding. The tongue is nothing special, nothing crazy, just an ordinary cheap material actually. And even though this looks very cheap, like to the touch, it's actually like quite soft. Like when you look at these, the eyelets, the tongue, it looks cheap, but when you have them in hand and when you feel them, it's actually like quite soft. Like I'm surprised by how soft this overall shoe is. Like it's soft, feels nice. And because this is made out of plastic or rubber, there's basically no padding anywhere. It's just a thin piece of plastic rubber everywhere. There's no cushioning, except for on the heel right here. So this little part here, this little black part, there's a little bit of cushioning around where this heel tab is. But other than that, no other cushioning. So it's a pretty loud sneaker, and normally I wouldn't go for this kind of colorway, but I just really wanted to try out the see-through transparent Superstars, because I'm obsessed with Superstars, and I've had so many pairs of Superstars, and this is just something so different from what I've ever had, so I had to try it. In terms of sizing, just go true to size. For wide footers, maybe go like half size up, but honestly I think these are fine going true to size. But yeah, they are a little bit on the slimmer side, but overall true to size. In terms of comfort, I think they're fine. Nothing out of the blue, nothing crazy. They're just a normal pair of Superstars. And I really mean it when I say this. Like, this rubber will not bother your comfort. Like, well, for me, it didn't. I truly thought this rubber, this plastic, would be uncomfortable. I purely got it for the looks, but when I threw them on feet and like walked around, they were actually like, they're not like comfortable, but you won't notice any discomfort from this plastic. So that was surprising. And in the end, they look really good. They look sick. I can't wait to skate these. So that's about it. I'll throw these on feet with a few different pairs of pants. See how they look. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Check out my other videos, and I'll be back with more skate shoes in the future. Thanks, guys.